This is what is it called, Suve. Use this tools. How many minutes gonna be, Dave?
2 minutes.
Huh? How many hours?
200.
200 hours? No, seriously, how many hours?
Some.
Because a lot of people asking me how many hours to do this.
I don't know.
An hour?
As long as you want.
As long as you want. No, just to get it cooked nicely. How many hours?
I don't know. Depends.
How you gonna cook this time? Like how many hours you gonna be? Okay, let's turn on the light. Get salmon in here. Using a Suve. Okay. Move. Okay, let's move. Wow. And then we'll cover that thing. So first you put some condiment into the fish, onto the fish with the salmon, and then like salt and pepper and what else, Steve? Garlic. And then you put into a vacuum pack or a sort of vacuum pack. And then put into a pan with this what's called ANOVA tools. This is a Suve way of cooking. Well, in about how many more hours, Dave? 1 hour, right? It says 115 degrees. And what is this number, Dave? 37 or something? What does that mean? 36? What does that mean? 36 minutes. I guess 36 minutes. You give me a straight answer. Arrgh.